Let's start the demo for office management system. I'm using the admin credential. So this is the admin dashboard. Admin can create reminders from here. He can see the attendances of all his employees from here, and he can filter it by the date and the employee's name. And if you want, he can also create attendance for the users as well, and he can also see the delays of the month from here. If you want, he can filter the delays. So this is the delays of the August month users. So you can see all of the stories from here. And if you go to the users, admin can create users. So let's create a users and then do test user, then mail, phone number, designation, and the role. I select developer. Here is another roles like marketer, admin, developer, client, etc. So I select developer. Then if you want to select the supervisor for this user, you can select. So I select this, and you have to set the delay time for the user. I select 10:00 a.m. If you want, you can add the skill for the user and the year of experience from here, and add notes from here. So when you click on add, the note is added, the user is added here, you can see. And if you want, you can view the user data or update the user data and delete the data from here. If you want, you can update the data. So admin can manage the user from the user module, and admin can also create roles. So when he click on the role and say QA and select the permissions like check-in attendance and the checkout attendance, I think, like from here add task or delete show roles, etc. And when click on the submit, the role is added here. So here is the 3 permissions I give to the QA. Then when you go back to the users, if you want to update the role of the user, you can. So when you click on a role, so here is the role visible here. And admin can also add skills from here. When he click on the create skill, I name it PHP. Then if you want, he can choose logo from his device, then click on a create. The role is the skill is visible here. If you want, he can also remove the skill from here. Let's back to the user module. If you want, you can update the skill from here. When you click on the skill, then this is the PHP, and click on here. So the added, after add, you have to click on a save change, then the skills will be added from here. Let's create a project from here. So you can see here is a different status, like when you click on all of the projects are visible here. When you click on a lead, the status leads projects are visible here, and the pending, so this project is pending, and if the project status is accepted, it will be visible here, and the ongoings are visible here, all of the projects and long term. So this is the long term projects and completed projects. And if you select the status rejected, then the rejected project will be visible here. Let's create a project. Here I named it test project 1, and select date and end date from here. Then select the developer. I select the developer I created, which is test user. then test users start date be 18 and in date will be 20, then budget of the project in a USD. Then you can select the status. I select pending, then click on a submit. You can see the project will create it here. So this is the test project 1 I created now. So the project is in pending mode. Then from here admin can see the tasks of all of the users, and he can also filter the user. If he wanna filter by project, then select project, then all the projects names will be visible here. If you select one of them, then QABNB all tasks will be visible here. If you want to search by developer, then select like test user, so there will no task for this user. And if you select another user, so all of the tasks of Tawhid is will be visible here for all of the projects. So you can also search by the date here, like 16 to select 13 to 16. So you can see 14, 15, 16, all of the tasks will visible here for the Tawhid developer. So here's the task, and this is the daily task. So when click on a daily text, admin can see all of the users daily tasks from here, and the check-in time and check-out time etc from here. So I select 16, can see the users check-in time, check-out time, and the task list from here, and the project name, given time etc from here. So this is the daily task module, and admin can create reminders for the projects for himself. This is the incomplete task, and this is the complete task. You can also search the reminder by the date, so there will be no text. Or if you want, you can select the project. Let's create a reminder. So I select this project, and the title is test reminder. Select the date 18, and given time will be AM. Okay, then description is test reminder, and I select the user like admin and click submit. So the reminder is still incomplete. If it's changed to complete, then it will be visible here in a completed list. So this is the reminder task here. Then in a break module, admin can see all of the users breaks from here. So in a 17th of September, uh, which user spend time in a break, and see the break duration and the counts also. You can also see the view details. So this is the break time, and if you want, you can also create a break for the user. Sometimes if like sometime a user forget to uh, create a break in his dashboard, so if he say like admin to create a break, then admin can create a break for that user from here. So this is the employee name. When you click on a create break, can select the user and date and the start time of the break, in time of the break, and the it is a lunch break or prayer break etc, and the reason of this break. When you click on a submit, then the break will be submitted from here. And this is the bill section. Admin can uh, export all of the data from here. So if you click on export by project, if you want to bill to the client for a project, so you select a project name like QABNB. Then all of the text of the project will be visible here. If you want, you can choose different users, I mean the developers from here. Select another projects combined if you wanna check this, like this one. Okay, and another user will be added. So this is the whole task. Okay, this user is not available for this project. If I select another users, so both of the users data will be visible here. He can also search it by the date, like 1 to 13th of September. Only two data will be visible, and if you click on export, then the data will be exported. So you can also search the data from here, I mean bills. And this is the bid insight module. Admin can create bid insight, like the date is 17, and select the user from here. So if you select admin and source is it a freelancer, I select. Then status is yes, reply yes, and all important yes. The URL like test.com. So if you wanna create a project, so this is not searched here. And if you change the user, there is no bidding for this user. And when the user click on a create bid, you can create the bid from here. Source is freelancer, bidding status is yes, this one is yes. I select no. Then important yes, bidded by admin, project URL I say test.com. Then budget as 500. Then click on submit. The bid insight is created. So if I say no, so you can see now the data is visible here. If you want, you can also export the bid insight from here. And this is the bid statistics. You can see, filter it by the users. I select admin, then the status like number of bid or reply status, etc. Then the date range from here, and when you click on a show graph, the graph will be visible here. So this is the bidding status, and this is the calendar. Here all the users data will be visible. All the users are here. Here is the I created user, test user. So one of the user, I mean the I assigned test user in a project which start on the 18th of September. So in 18th of September to 20 September, this user is not available, busy with the project. So red means they're busy with the project, available means green, and inactive means the dark red. So this user is busy with the project from here. And this is the activity log. All of the stories will be visible from here. So this one is activity log. So let's log in as a user. I created the user. So this is the users dashboard, user can also create reminder for herself. So you have to first click on a check-in. So when you click on a check-in, then the attendance will be visible to the admin dashboard. So not yet checked out, and your check-in time is 6:43 p.m. Your delay time was 10 a.m., which I set it in admin dashboard. And when you go to the admin dashboard, you can see test user is now status is working, and the delay time is 10 a.m., but he checked in a 6:43 and didn't check out yet. So the uh, check-in time is here. Like test user forget to uh, check in office management. If you request or ask to admin the exact time of the check-in, then the admin can also change the check-in time. So like he checked in a 1 p.m., then create OK, and when you click on a save changes, you can see the time is changed to 1:43, and here also the time is changed to 1:43, but it's still late because his delay time is 10 a.m. and the work hours is changed to 5 hours to 1 minute office hours. And when you click on a projects, so ongoing is no, and when you click on a all, he can see only his assigned projects, which is test project 1, which I created. And when he click in a view project, he can view the project tasks and the reminders, etc., which is not set it yet. And when he click on a update project, he can also update the project. He can also assign the others developers from here. He can change the dates from here, and budget or any status, or add the note from here. Then he can add daily tasks for this project. The project name is test project 1, and tasks like test the data, then spent hours, let's say 1 hour, and given time is also 1 hour. Then the date is 17, and the comments, if you want, this is test. If there are any screenshot, he can also give it, and is freelancer, then he can also check this box. And when you click on a submit, the task is added from here, and he can click on a view daily tasks. He can see his task for today here, which one is added now. Then when you click on a uh, add reminder, he can also set the reminder for this project, like test reminder, select the date 18, then time is 12 a.m., select description is test, select the user for herself, then click on a submit. So the reminder is added, and when you click on a view reminder, you can see the reminder is here. So if you want to change the status of the reminder, then the reminder goes to the completed one. If you want to change again, so the reminder goes to the incompleted one. If you want to create another reminder, you can click on a create reminder and select the project, etc., for create a reminder. So this is the project things. And if you click on a project bill, so you can see the bill of this project. I mean, the tasks are visible here in a bills. So when you click on a task module, so the task is visible here, which one is here added. And also in a admin, this is the admin dashboard. When you go to the project and click on a task like pending one, and this is the here is the task is updated. And when you click on a view daily tasks, you can see the test user developers task here. From here he can also update, like the developer spent more 30 hours. So if he ask the admin to add it, so admin can change it from here. So click on the save change. The task time is updated to 1:30. So when you go to the task, you can see, so this is the task of that project from here, and this is the task, this is the user dashboard from here. He can also filter by the project and the date, and this is the reminder. And he when you go to the reminder and select the date of the reminder, he can also filter it by the project, and when you click on a create reminder, then the reminder will be visible here. And the reminder, if the reminder is completed or the for today, then the reminder will be visible here. So I create the reminder for 18th September, that's why in a dashboard this one is not visible. And from here a user can create break. So when he click on take a break, and like tea or coffee break or any other reason, he can write from here. When you click on a confirm, then the break is started, and it will be counting from the here. Here's the break running. And in admin dashboard, when you go, so the user is on a break. When you click on a here, you can see this user is online and in a break, and this user left the site a few seconds ago. This user is online. You can see all of this. And when the break is stopped, like the break is stopped here, so 34 seconds is break time. And when admin go to the breaks, and he can search the user. So this is the user who take 34-second breaks from here. And he added another break, but forget to uh, click on a take break or add from his dashboard. So admin can add it from the panel from here, and update the break time from here. Like this is the test user break time, break start time. I select 7 select like 5 p.m. and the in time is 6 p.m. and the reason is like lunch break. Then click on a submit. Then the total break time is 1 hour 34 seconds. So the break time will be updated from here and also here. So when you go back to the dashboard, you can see the 1 hour break time, and working hours is calculated from the break after taking break. So this is the things. And user can also see his tasks from here, and help the admin to create bills from here, like export by project or client. Then select on the project date, and when you click on export, the data will be exported. So that's all about it.